Yo, back out here again.
Truth right there. Got him on the boat. Bringing in the motherfucking porgies. How you feel today?
Relax, you know, I'm just getting a tan. I look a little dark. You know how it is.
You know how it is.
What up, Israel? Back out here on the beach. Again. Yes, back out here. We in between the Ocean Club Hotel and the Vanderbilt Hotel on this rock that I did the catch and cook the other day. Yeah. But I've been getting my ass whooped, you know, pause and all of that good stuff by some big fish over here, so I brought backup.
We're trying to catch Godzilla.
Something is here. So we got 3 lines in the water. I got 1 line right here, Jamie got his line right here, and I got another one right there. But yeah, we out here. Let's see what happens on the beach. Not many people at the hotel today.
Really windy. Really.
Yeah.
I think it's too much wind.
Yeah. I've been feeling that way before and caught big fish, so I'm not. See?
Oh yeah. Not the dinner right there. So fast. So fast. So fast. Yeah. This is a secret spot though. Don't come here to fish. You can't. It's the lane snapper.
See, I can't even tell the lane and the when they're this size.
It's a lane because of the eyes. Lane snappers got big red eyes. And they have to spot just like a, but if you put the light on it, it's gonna be yellow stripe.
Yeah, I was on the big a different looking eye. Same thing. As soon as you let go of my hook, looks like a squirrelfish, the spikes. That's a nice little fish. It's gonna be dinner. I'm gonna try to see if I could find a little pond to keep him in while we continue fishing for another fish. Alright, here's the pond, but it's gonna be hard to catch him back in this big lake. Oh yeah. Got a little snapper. It's the lane snapper. He's good. He's just a little winded. Trying to figure out his surroundings. I bet when I come back for him, he's gonna be ready. He's gonna be planning. He's like, yo, watch when that guy gets back. But yeah, early night. We get some action. I hear a lot of bells. Let's see. I'm about to rebait my line. Let's see what happens. Let's see what else we catch.
I'm using a high-low. When he's on, he's gonna be on. See?
Yeah. That was a heavy pull just now. My bet is you got a fish on right now, or he stole your bait. That was a heavy pull. That was like, give me this shit type of pull. Yeah, see, bro, I promise you got a fish on. All right. Getting a bite. Yep, I got the fish on. Yep. Feels like he got a little size to him too. He's not taking no drag, but got a nice little size. Come on, man. Oh no! I knew that was gonna happen, yo.
You saw what it was?
Came on, I didn't even see what it was. I was trying not to drag it because, damn, yo. He had some weight to him too, you know. That was me? Ah! Getting a bite again. This one brought me into the reef already, it looked like. Feels like I got a fish on. I'm not sure.
And don't try to break him around. Just pull him around the rock.
He said, land this one, nigga. Same thing.
We got two of them.
Yeah, we got dinner. We eating good. I'm gonna put my line back in the water and then.
Oh, the bite is good.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, this is honeycomb. We gotta take it.
Look at this guy. Another lane snapper.
Here.
Good eating. They got a little teeth to them, but I'm not putting my hands in their mouth. Sorry. Now we got two little guys. Pretty little fish, ain't he? Let's see what the other one is doing. This one is over here chilling. He's searching the floor to see where he could go, where he could hide. Let me see if I could touch him. But this one is not moving. Come on, my guy, you good? Yeah, I could touch them. They're not running too far, so I'll be ready for them when I'm ready for them. I mean, I could catch them when I'm ready for them. Yeah, two of the same size fish. just gonna see, man. We gonna see.
Don't let that fish there.
Nah, they good, bro.
When the weight comes, we load the spear.
Nah, it's not gonna. It's not gonna go over there. That right now.
Don't worry, bro. I know.
Guess that's how you hold the Stingray. I'm not with that. Sorry. And he's back out there. Bro, he was taking drive. Just caught another nurse shark. Take out the hook out of its mouth. The big boy on the steel leader. We getting a lot of action, man. A lot of action. So the hook. Ah, fudge.